Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix a Safari cannot open the page because the server cannot be found. For example, if you try to open a specific website on Safari on iPhone, iOS 26, and after that you see this kind of error is happening again and again as you open a specific website. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close this page and you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds. And after that, you have to simply turn it off again. And here you have to simply check for that website whether it is working well or not. If the problem is still there, then you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. Now what you have to do, you have to simply open the settings again, and this time you have to go for the apps and you have to check the Safari settings whether you have turned on all these necessary settings on the Safari. So here you have to simply check for all the settings on the Safari, and if they are all the settings are turned on, then you can simply go back, and after that you have to check whether the problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you can simply take the screenshot of the problem, and after that you have to simply go to the Apple support and ask for the solution. Moreover, you can also discuss it in the Apple discussion forum, and after that iOS user will tell you how they have solved that error. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.